Come and watch its Lamborghini Urus, fully stripped down and wrapped in satin black. So guys, the Lamborghini Urus. I would say this is everyone's dream car. It's got the power, it's got the space, and it's definitely got the looks. But we're now going to be pulling this Urus in, we're going to be stripping it down, and we're going to be wrapping it in a satin black. Now we do it a little bit differently to a lot of wrapping companies. We do completely strip the vehicle down. We don't wrap up to any trims, everything's off, wrapped underneath, and then built back up the way it should be done. Now this car, I don't actually know, as we're filming this today, if we're allowed to announce whose car this is. But what I will say is, it's going to be raffled off. So in the meantime, throughout this video, I'll find out if we're allowed to say whose it is, and if we are, get in the description below and we'll put a link to where this car is going to be raffled. I can safely say I'm going to be lumping on heavy on this car because I know it is going to look incredible. Let's get into the workshop, guys, and take this Lamborghini apart. So guys, we've now come to the end of the video, and I don't know about you, but I think this is the ultimate car. It is, if I won the lottery, this would be the first thing I would buy. It is absolutely incredible. The most aggressive looking road car I think there is, to be fair. The Lamborghini Urus, which we have now wrapped in satin black. We haven't done the door shuts, it's just an external wrap in the satin black, which goes perfectly with all the gloss black accents around the vehicle. And like I say, guys, I truly don't think there is anything better. It is absolutely incredible. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe on all our social media pages, and we will see you next time.